Good morning, cuties. Third standard, term 2, social revision. Unit 3, district administration. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, dash administrative head of the district. District collector, judge, superintendent of police. Answer, district collector. District collector, administrative head of the district. Second one, dash are responsible for government hospitals. Policemen, health officer, drivers. Answer, health officer. Health officer are responsible for government hospitals. Third one, dash is maintained by the police department. Health, forest, law and order. Answer, law and order. Law and order is maintained by the police department. Fourth one, dash ensures the proper functioning of educational department in a district. Forest officer, chief educational officer, health officer. Answer, chief educational officer. Chief educational officer ensures the proper functioning of educational department in a district. Fifth one, dash advises on sanitation of the district. Health officer, forest officer, revenue officer. Answer, health officer. Health officer advises on sanitation of the district. Second Roman, filling the blanks. First one, dash is responsible for proper working of all departments in a district. Collector, COLLECTOR. Collector. Collector is responsible for proper working of all departments in a district. Second one, health officers are responsible for government dash in the district. Hospitals, HOSPITALS. Hospitals. Health officers are responsible for government hospitals in the district. Third one, Kaveri and her father are watching dash on the television. News, NEWS. News. Kaveri and her father are watching news on the television. Third Roman, match the following. First one, collector, head of a district. Collector, head of a district. Second one, save the trees. Forest department. Save the trees. Forest department. Third one, teachers morality. Teacher. Teachers morality. Teacher. Fourth one, police 100. Fourth one, police 100. Fourth Roman, true or false. First one, district collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSC. True. Second one, teacher gives order to make sure different policies reach people in the district. False. Third one, chief educational officer takes care of the education department. True. Fourth one, police officers are responsible for the government hospitals. False. Fifth one, forest officer takes care of the forest department. True. Fifth Roman, answer in one word. Who is the head of the revenue department? District collector. DISTRICT. District. COLLECTOR. Collector. District collector. Who is the head of the revenue department? District collector. Second one, who takes care of the forest department? Forest officer. FOREST. Forest. OFFICER. Officer. Forest officer. Who takes care of the forest department? Forest officer. Third one, who takes care of the education department? Chief educational officer. CHIEF. Chief. EDUCATIONAL. Educational. OFFICER. Officer. Chief educational officer. Who takes care of the education department? Chief educational officer. Sixth Roman, answer the following. First one, who is the administrative head of the district? District collector is the administrative head of the district. 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 COLLECTOR. Collector. IS is THE. The. ADMINISTRATIVE. Administrative. HEAD. Head. OF. Of. THE. The. District. 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 District collector is the administrative head of the district. Second one, name any 3 departments of the district. Police department, health department, forest department, education department. POLICE. Police. DEPARTMENT. Department. Police department. HEALTH. Health. DEPARTMENT. department, health department. forest, forest, department, department, forest department. education, education, department, department, education department. Police department, health department, forest department, education department. Third one, how are the district collectors selected? District collectors are selected through exams conducted by UPSC. DISTRICT, district. COLLECTORS, collectors. ARESELECTED, selected. Through, THROUGH, EXAMS, exams, conducted. CONDUCTED, conducted. by UPSC. District collectors are selected through exams conducted by UPSC. Fourth one, who maintains law and order in the district? Superintendent of Police maintains law and order in the district. SUPERINTENDENT, superintendent. OF, POLICE, police. MAINTAINS, maintains. LAW, law. and ORDER, order. the DISTRICT, district. Superintendent of Police maintains law and order in the district. குட்டீஸ், ரிவிஷனை கவனிங்க. நல்லா டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு ரெடி ஆகுங்க. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ குட்டீஸ்.